today we're going to be looking at our midpoint formula. So what I mean by this is that I've already done this Cartesian plane, and you've noticed that I've got a coordinate here and a coordinate here. So what we're wanting to know is between these 2 points, so let's say this is A and this is B, what is the midpoint between these 2 points? So in order to do that, we have to apply a formula, and it'll look a little bit similar to our gradient formula. So let's start. So we've got x1 plus x2 over 2. The reason why we're dividing by 2 is because in the middle of any, trying to find the middle of anything, we'd always divide it by 2. Alright, so then we go comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So let's have a look and apply this one. So it's really important to know that I've called this one A and I've called this one B, okay? But in actual fact, it doesn't matter which one's A or B. Ultimately, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so, but for today, let's look at this as being A and this being B. So, equals x1. So remember, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So we move across to here. So it's 2, and then up to our y-axis, which is 4. So this is, let me change the colour. So it is, hang on, and let me just do this one for you. For this coordinate here, it is 6, and we move across or up here, and it's 8. So let's have a look. So x1 is here, it's 2. x2 is here, which is 6 divided by 2. y1 is here, so that is 4 plus here, which is our 8 plus 8 divided by 2. Okay, so what do we have? 2 plus 6, so we're looking at this one now. 2 plus 6 is 8 divided by 2. So we have 8 divided by 2, which equals 4. Over here now, 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So remember that this is our x, this is our y. So if we go across to our 4 and then up to our 6, so we go here. So this is where we're saying our midpoint is. Now let me just add this line in. So that is our linear line. So you can see here, we can double check between here and here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So we've got 1, 2, sorry, not this one. My counting's a bit out. Let's do this again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So right in the middle, which is here, is our midpoint. So if we have a Cartesian plane, we can actually see it, or we can use this formula here and tell us what the midpoint is. Okay, so here's another Cartesian plane. We have 2 points with the blue dots, and we have our linear line running through them. What I would like you to do is for, in preparation for our class, I want you to calculate, so calculate that midpoint. So what I would like to see is you drawing the Cartesian plane, just which is on the screen, and show full workings of what the midpoint of this linear line would be. Thank you.